Hello, I'm Judith Richards. I'm the creator of the Richards Trauma Process, or TRTP. Let's talk about self-sabotage. In order to understand self-sabotage, we need to understand the two parts of the mind, the voluntary and the involuntary, the conscious and the unconscious, subconscious, same difference. The conscious mind has been proven to only work about 5% of the time. The unconscious works about 95% of the time. So doesn't it make sense that the conscious mind can make a decision to make something happen? And if the unconscious says, no, that's not going to happen, the big guy will win. There will be unconscious self-sabotage. Let's make it practical. Okay, we're working with a client. The client has decided, yes, I'm sick of being like this. It's time to be well. I want to be well. I'm going to do what's required to be well. They come to see us. Great. Congratulations. But if their unconscious is going, no, it's not safe to be well, because if we're well, we'll be out in the world, and the world's not safe. We know that. There will be unconscious self-sabotage. We have a couple coming for relationship counseling. Their conscious minds go, yeah, it's time. We've got to work on our relationship. It's time. We want a safe, beautiful, intimate relationship. Go them. But if the unconscious is going, no, it's not safe to love and be loved. Anyone who's supposed to love us is going to hurt us, betray us, abandon us, humiliate us. Are you nuts? There will be unconscious self-sabotage. If someone decides to be fit and healthy and lose weight, yes, I'll do what it takes. Yes, it's time. I'm sick of being how I am. Great. But if the unconscious goes, no, it's not safe to be attractive. Are you nuts? We don't have the energy for that. It's not going to happen. There will be unconscious self-sabotage. So what do we do? What do we do? We can very quickly and easily get the conscious and the unconscious mind in sync. And when that happens, bingo, change is so much easier. Shift happens. We stop pushing the proverbial uphill. It's so much easier for us. It's so much easier for our client. So whether we're doing physical or psychological therapy, if we add this step at the beginning to get the unconscious and the subconscious, the unconscious and the conscious mind in agreement, things will be so much easier. These are the first steps of TRTP. I'm doing a workshop just on these first steps. Get the unconscious and the conscious in sync. Stop self-sabotage so that whatever you do in your therapy, whatever that is so much easier and it stays locked in. I'm doing a workshop, a 3-hour workshop. Yes, there's half an hour break in the middle. I'm doing it at Melbourne Uni, Queensland Uni in Brisbane. And I'm doing it online for those who can't attend those. Get a ticket. Come and learn these easy to learn, simple steps so that you can identify why is there self-sabotage, change the pattern, get the unconscious and the conscious in sync, and sit back and watch how much easier your life is, your clients' lives are. Let's create change. And let's face it, it's not just for our clients, is it? It's for us too. So I would love to see you there. I warmly welcome you, and go well. See you soon.